Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And today, what are we going to be painting with all these colors?
A parrot.
A parrot. Yes, I love parrots. Well, what do we need?
We need red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, blue, brown, white, and black.
I can't wait. Let's get started. All right. Let's go ahead and start with his beak. And this is a very long bird. They have long feathers, so we want to make sure that we leave enough room for the whole bird. So we're going to start up kind of high here. Good. And then we're going to come this way. Something like that. Good. And then this is the bottom beak. They got these big chompers, almost like a crab claw. Okay, and then we're gonna this and we'll bring that. Good. Okay, and now we're going to do the head. So we're going to go this way. Good. All right, and then we're going to go this way. Okay, and then we're going to do these kind of wavies, which are the feathers. And just take your time on these. Everybody's going to have a little bit different here on how many they have. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to do another row here. And those are going to be like this. And when you get to the middle, we want to stop and we're going to come up like that. Great. And same thing, we're just going to keep going here. When you get to the middle, and back up. Good. And we're going to do another row. The same thing is going to be a little bit bigger. And you can even make the feathers a little bigger. Same thing. And when you get to the middle, and this is trying to separate the wings. Good. Okay. And then same thing. Continue on. Okay, and we're going to do a third row here, which is actually going to be back around this one. Two, three, or four. Get to the middle. Up. And then same thing. Good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make some long feathers here. And what we'll do is we'll have these kind of come off of here like this. And same thing on this side, bring them down from here. Good, and maybe there's some long feathers here, so we'll make this a little more rounded. And same with this one, and this will make a little more sense once we color it. Okay, now we're going to complete some of these long feathers like this. Okay. Good. And same on the other side here. So we're gonna good. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we'll have these final feathers, which are the long ones, which go all the way off the canvas, in my case. Those are so long. Okay, and then I'll do maybe another couple here, and a couple here. That looks great. Okay, now what we need to do is, they love to sit on perches, so what we'll do is we'll do a branch, and you got to remember their feet are probably somewhere around here, so that's where we want the branch to come through, and we want it to go behind our parrot. Something like that. Good. And then it comes out, you got to kind of imagine where it comes out. So it probably comes out, in my case, somewhere around here. And you know, I'm going to do a, there you go. I don't know, I might do like a little branch or something here.
Why is mine solid?
That's fine. Let me just do one thing here, and then this is going to keep going. Okay, and then I think the last thing is, let's go back here a little bit, and we're going to do something like this. So we're going to kind of basically just follow our original line and make kind of a circle, which we'll color in and it'll make a little more sense. Well, I think these look great already. I can't wait to see what they look like colored in. Let's fast forward and bring our parrot to life. Yeah.
All right, we are back from fast forwarding, and I think the parrots turned out very colorful.
They are so colorful. And that's what they look like in real life, too.
Uh-huh, so bright and majestic.
Yes, they are. Well, what did you do with all these colors? I see there's some blending and stuff going on in there.
So what you do is you have the red, and then you have the orange, and then you take like a puffy brush like this, and you just kind of like push and dab with water on it so it blends together, just a row, and then just do that with every single row until you get to down here. Once you do this, make sure you leave the middle space not blue, and you can put it red. I did purple, but he did red, I did purple.
Yeah.
And then we just added some like little leaves and brown.
Well, I think it looks great. What else do we have to do?
Our signature!
Yes. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your parrot, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.